If you paid a dealer to fix that musty AC smell and it came right back, you're not imagining things. That leftover cleaner on your carpet is a sign the chemical never reached the real problem. They missed the target. Spraying a cleaner into your cabin vents is just a temporary mask. The real source of that vinegar or dirty sock smell is biological. It's mold and bacteria growing deep inside your dash, on a part called the evaporator core. Think of the evaporator as a small radiator that gets ice cold. When warm, humid air from outside hits it, water condenses on its fins, just like on a cold glass in summer. This water is supposed to drip into a pan and exit through a drain tube. But if that tube gets clogged, or if you make a lot of short trips, the core never fully dries. A pool of stagnant water sits in the dark, warm case, creating the perfect home for smelly growth. Every time you turn on the fan, you're blowing those spores right into the car. The dealer's spray never touched that source, and the mold you're breathing in was never addressed. Here's how to fix it correctly yourself. You'll need 1 can of foaming evaporator cleaner. Brands like FJC or Kool-It are common. This isn't a spray for your vents. It's a dedicated foam with a long application tube. First, find the evaporator drain tube. It's a small rubber hose, maybe ½ an inch wide, sticking out from the firewall. On the passenger side, under the car. Sometimes it's a right-angle elbow. With the engine off, push the cleaner's long tube. As far as it will go up into that drain, you want to get it deep inside the evaporator case. Now, empty the entire can. The foam will expand, filling the entire case and clinging to the fins of the core, breaking down that built-up biofilm on contact. Once the can is empty, pull the tube out and just wait. Let the car sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the foam is doing its work, then slowly turning back into a liquid. You'll soon see it dripping out of the drain tube. Don't be surprised if it looks like dirty water. That's all the grime and organic material being flushed out. You've now cleaned the actual source of the smell, doing the job the right way by going straight to the core. To keep that smell from coming back, add a simple 2-minute habit to your drive. A few minutes before you get home, turn the AC button off, but leave the fan running on low or medium. If you want to speed it up, turn the temperature dial to heat for a minute. This does one critical thing. It uses ambient air or warm air from your heater core to blow across the evaporator. That airflow dries off all the condensation that collected while the AC was running. A dry evaporator core can't grow mold. It's that simple. This free step makes sure your fix lasts. So next time you get that smell, don't reach for a spray can. Look for that little drain tube under the car. That's your direct path to fixing the problem for good.